Let's do question 221. The following information is given about a quadratic number pattern. T1 is equal to 3, T2 minus T1 is equal to 9, then T3 minus T2 is equal to 21. Show that T5 is equal to 111. Right. Usually I use this diagram. T1 is 3. Okay. Then T2 minus T1. So it means the difference between T2 and T1 is 9. That's the difference. And then how do we get T2? We just have to say 3 plus 9. Then we get our 12. Right? Then this is T2. 12 is T2. And T3 minus T2 is 21. So it means the difference between T3 and T2 is what? 21. Then what is T3? 12 plus 21, which is equal to 33. You see? So the quadratic pattern is what? 3, 12, 33. It goes on like that. So to get T5, we can simply extend this. Remember the second difference is what? Is constant. 21 minus 9, we get 12. Right? So it means here we have 12 also. So 21 plus 12 will give us what? Will give us 33. Okay. And then 33 plus 33 will give us 66. So term 4 is 66. And then 12, that's the second difference, because for a quadratic pattern, the second difference is constant. 33 plus 12, that is what? 45. Then 66 plus 45, that is 111. So therefore, T5 is equal to 111. We've proved that. The other thing you could have done after getting this, you see that we have 12, 9, 3. Remember what we do. We can find our general term. And then after that, substitute n with 5. But let's find the general term. We equate this to 2a. That's the simpler method. And then 3a plus b. Then a plus b plus c. Right, so 2a is equal to 12, meaning that a is equal to 6. Then 3a plus b is equal to 9, meaning that 3 times 6 plus b is equal to 9. Then b is equal to 9 minus 18. 9 minus 18 is negative 9. Then a plus b plus c is equal to 3, meaning that 6 plus negative 9 plus c is equal to 3. 6 plus negative 9, that is negative 3. Negative 3 transposed to the right hand side becomes plus 3. C is equal to 3 plus 3, c is equal to 6. We have proved that Tn is equal to 6 n squared minus 9n plus 6. And then where there's n, we put 5. So T5 is equal to 6, and then 5 squared minus 9 times 5 plus 6. And then we get our 111. Right, question 2.2. Question 2.2, we have already done this. Question 2.2. So what we have done here, finding our Tn. This proves that our Tn is equal to 6n squared minus 9n plus 6. So this is 222. So there's no need for us to repeat the same thing. Okay.